So what's up guys, I'm back to my new video and you are watching NxeAxe channel, and today I'm going to show how to save data from Instagram app without installing any third-party application. So without wasting time, let's move to the point. So first of all, you have to open Instagram app. Here you will get this small icon, so tap on it. After that you have to click your finger on this three line. Here you will get this setting section, so then you have to put your finger on this account section, and then you will see this cellular data use, so click on it, and then next you know what to do. So yes, open it, and that's all you have to do. I know this is too easy thing, but this easy trick can save you lots of data from Instagram app. And one more thing I have to say, that if you didn't like my video yet, then first of all like my video and drop one comment, because this easy thing can motivate me a lot. So that's all I have to say, and I have to complete my 2 minutes video, so I'm going to I don't know what to do. Just have to increase my time of this video. And so last I have to say that वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कर देना, चैनल पर नहीं हो तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकन दबा देना। आज के लिए इतना ही, जय हिंद एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।